Welcome to my channel. My name is Umar Bhatt, and today in this video I'm gonna show you an incredible AI tool, and the name of this tool is FrameNet AI. This is the URL you can open in your browser. This is actually an AI motion graphics generator, and it can instantly create stunning, beautiful animations from images, text, or data. And their AI motion graphic tools can turn your ideas into professional videos within few seconds. So you can open, this is FrameNet.ai. Here you can see some their motion graphics AI in action, also like how it looks. And there are simple 3 steps you need to check, like create AI motion graphics in 3 simple steps. The first, you need to describe your vision. Second, you will customize your motion design if you want. And third, you can generate and export. So this is incredible tool. So for it, you can click on Get Started. And here you can log in with your Google account if you want, or you can click on Sign Up. And here we will type our email. And you can click on sign up. Account is created, so confirmation code sent to registered email. Please verify your account. So let me pause the video and enter the verification code, and then I will resume. So once you enter the code and click on verify, so you can see your account has been confirmed. So now you can sign in. So once you are signed in login, so they will ask you first time, like, how did you hear about them? So you can select any source, whatever, like if you came to know about this tool using YouTube, you can click LinkedIn. So it's up to you. And here you can select your role. Now here you can see like your motion graphic designer. So you can create awesome motion graphics by chatting. And here you can see an example, like animate a bar chart showing revenue growth from $1 million to $10 million. So it's up to you. If you want, you can use this one. And here you can upload images as well. So this is for reference, and you can also click on video. So add video, you can also add video. And not sure, so you can select like animated bar chart, kinetic text, CTA and card, promo feature. Or if you have something in your mind, for instance, we have an institute and we want to, animate, we want to some motion graphic, So I will type here like create a dynamic motion graphic animation for an IT training institute. The name of institute is Irza Fatma IT Solutions. And show neon blue digital circuits, floating code lines, and futuristic UI panels, and animate text like the web development and graphic design, digital marketing, and cyber security, for example, and add fast transitions. So I can tell them like to add fast transitions and glowing elements, and also smooth camera movement style, like modern, tech, and professional. So now you can add images also if you want for reference. So this time we will make We will make without the reference image, but I will recommend you to add images for reference. So just press enter, or you can click here, see this one. Now this is loading the project. 1 second, and see, welcome to the editor. Also, your video is generating. Let's explore the powerful editing features while we wait. So you can click on next. Like, so if you're not happy with generation, you can click here regenerate, and the AI will try a completely new approach. So you have 2 free regenerations left for each new project. And see, this is version history. So navigate between different versions using the undo and redo buttons. So here you can see undo and redo buttons. So these are perfect for switching between iterations, Then fine tune the basics. You can change the video's aspect ratio, duration, or frame per second right here. You can see here dimension, portrait, landscape. You can change like 15 seconds. You can increase the duration, and also frames per second you can change. And you can also type instructions to modify your video. For example, change the background to a dark blue or mark the text animation faster. So edit directly on canvas also, so you can see all these things. And you can see welcome to Irza Fatma IT Solutions, incredible programs. You can see web development, graphic, digital marketing, and after digital marketing, cybersecurity as well. And you can see join the future, enroll now. See, it looks amazing. So, you can type here like, change the background to dark blue. You can ask them to change the background, if you want. Here you can see like if you want, you can select different dimensions. So this is incredibly, awesome. You can click on render, render settings. You can select like 480, and, for other you need to upgrade, and you can click on export video and export. You can export with watermark and keep editing. So export video lock, your free plan does not support. So I will recommend you to upgrade your plan to rendering, unlock rendering, and advanced features. This is highly recommended. So keep editing, you can keep editing. But see, if you are paying, hundreds of dollars to the motion graphic, expert. So instead of this, you can go to, pro, and $9 per month, like you have 3,600 AI credits per year, 300 per month. So this is incredible, and you can save a lot of your time and a lot of your money. So I will definitely recommend you to upgrade it, and also then export or render your video. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends, and also subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.